Good day, traders. This is Rick with your aftermarket update. Futures Trading Coach Live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Wednesday, March 12th. Today we had a pretty active day today. We had two trades, almost three trades, but two trades in the ES, and we had two trades in crude oil. We had three winners and one loser. The loser was unfortunately due to headline risk. I'm going to go through all that and explain what happened, what we did, and everything like that, and why we did have that loser today. Not that a loser is bad, but should have been a winner. The first trade we got short on the ES. The time was 8:24 Central Standard Time. We were in at an average price of 18.59. We had two positions here. Average price was 18.59, and that one worked down for about 5 points, up to 5-point winner on that. Would have been a beautiful trade, probably 3 for most, because that was the first target unless they had anything left. And then 4 to 5 on the last one if anybody had anything peeling off along the way as we take profits. The next trade happened at 9. Actually, the next trade happened at in crude oil. We got long at 99.05 up here. Okay, we were expecting this market to get up, or 99.06, I'm sorry, on this green candle next to this arrow. We were expecting this thing to get up to at least 99.20, 99.21 to 26. That was our target. What happened is actually, as we were entering this trade, literally while we were entering the trade, there was an explosion in New York, in Harlem. There was a building exploded. Now, it turned out to be just an accident, but as everybody knows, when things start blowing up, people think terrorism and things of that nature. We immediately had over a 50-penny candle. Yes, this is a 50-penny candle here, within literally a minute. Not even within 10 seconds. It just shot down. It was a 3-minute candle, but this happened in about 10 seconds. This was a half a position. We never even got a chance to add. Normally, we would have potentially added to the position here, but we never even had a chance. So it was a stop out on a half a position. That's unfortunate. That's headline risk. It happens sometime. Now, right after this, right after we got stopped out, there was a long trade in ES right here where this dot is. And I said that there's really no reason this thing should at least get up to around 350, 375 off of the 60 quarters. I said we were not taking it because at this point we didn't know what was going on. And we don't want to get into another trade and then have this thing tank. So I said that this was an absolute long here. It was an S play, and we're going to pass on it and let things shake out a little bit, and that's exactly what we did. Now, it would have worked, but no big deal. I said if they were truly going to take the market higher, they were going to want to go up to at least the 66.50 area, 66 quarter, 66.50, and then potentially 8 quarter after that. And we would hopefully have another way to get in. So that did happen right here in this green candle. The time was 10:06. Things kind of settled down here, and we got long at 18.63 quarter. Some of us got 63 quarter. I said if you had to take it at 63.50 off of this next candle, we would have taken it. So 3 quarter or 3.50, either way, both were profitable. That one went up, and that one worked out for about 5-point trade as well, up to 5 points. Again, we take profits along the way. The first major target was at 6 quarter to 6.50, so that would have been 3 points up. And then the next, we would have had ability to make up to 5 points on that trade. The last trade that we took was a short. Now, we were still in this trade, and we were trying to hit this last target. I did mention a short here in crude. I said, given the day and given what was going on, I was not going to get us into 2 trades simultaneously, so I did not call it at that point, and it would have worked again, but we were not in this. After most of the people in the room were out of the trade here, a lot of us got out around here. We did have another short setup in crude. And I mentioned the trade here, and the method trade would be to short 98.09. And I said the thing should go at least 15 to 20 pennies. If it gets below 15 to 20 pennies, it would go down to the 80.85 area and then down to 59. And that would have been beautiful for a nice 50 penny move. Of course, you had to have multiple contracts to stay in it for 50 pennies, but as you can see here, you never would have even taken really a whole lot of heat, and would have been a winner. It's just a matter of how many contracts and to what degree, but that one worked for up to 50 pennies. And 50 pennies, by the way, is our normal profit-taking point. So we would have had profits here. We would have had profits here, probably something around 15 pennies. So with 3 contracts or so, you could have definitely made 50 pennies on this trade, and it was beautiful for those who could take it. Now that is all we did today. So 1, 2, 3, 4 possible trades. We had 1 loser due to this headline risk. That happens sometimes. It actually hasn't happened too much to us in the room. I think it might have happened one other time, but I'm honestly not even sure. Happens every once in a while, and we just literally didn't even have any time to react to it because it just shot right down there. But we did have 3 winners, which was nice, and would have been a 4th winner if we could have gotten into this one. But again, I just felt the risk was too much after we had that stop out there. So good day. We're going to come back and we're going to do it again tomorrow. And until then, I want to wish everyone a happy day and happy trading.